What's up, Indy? Sid here with Killa Dent Removal again. And I just wanted to help you get your mind off of well, I'm not even gonna say it, the C word. It's not as bad as it seems. We're all gonna make it through this. And we're praying for everybody that's, been affected by the panic and some of the necessary things that have been going on in our community and in our world lately. So not going to focus, this video is not about that. This video is meant to, let you know that we're still open for business. We're going to ride this out. And we're here for you, in your vehicles, and like we always are. If you don't want to come out, we do mobile repair. So, and rest assured, we can facilitate that if you'd rather do that than come in. But today I just wanted to show you some damage on this vehicle we're going to be repairing with a process called Paintless Dent Removal. Don't paint your car. Go PDR. Well, what is PDR? Well, it's a completely revolutionary, completely paint-free process known as paintless dent removal, where we can actually massage dents, dings, and hail damage out of your vehicle the same day, even while you wait a lot of times. But I'm gonna take you in closer and let you look at this damage. There's some damage on this door here, and there's also a dent that's related, where I can get that right there. So I'm gonna turn this camera around here, let you look closer. Okay, we had some minor difficulties trying to switch the camera around. Oh, but anyways, here, so we're gonna get you a good look at this damage. So we have some large, complex shaped damage on the fender here with what we call some pronounced crown that goes over the top. And in the industry, in our industry, we call that locked up. So that dent's locked up at the top there, and there's a lot of pressure because you've got the low and then all this metal up here high. Everything's just tight and bound up. We're going to have to mitigate this damage by working this up here first, trying to unlock some of this pressure and push some of this dent out here before we can loosen some of that damage to keep working it the rest of the way. Going down the vehicle, we've got some pretty nice tire marks that we're going to wet sand, polish, and wet sand if we have to get those out. Moving on down the panel, we've got some damage in here. That's pretty complex damage too. It doesn't look as bad as the fender, but if you look closely, there's a line that goes right here, and that's actually held out by the reinforced bar in that door. So, and then continuing on down the vehicle, we've got this shot here at the quarter panel. And we're going to repair that to them. That actually has some scratches inside of it as well. I'm going to try to zoom in and see them here, and so you can see those scratches. Yeah. So we're going to fix all this the same day for this customer, without painting, no sanding, no Bondo, no fillers, no Carfax reporting, and get this guy back in his car. So remember, if you've got dents, dings, or hail damage on your ride, give us a call. Check us out. We're online, we're on Google, we're on Facebook. We have great reviews. Check out our reviews, see what our customers say about us. And yeah, we're going to get on this, and we'll let you see the end result probably towards the end of the day. Thanks for watching. So if you'll remember right from earlier, that was the main damage. But we also had this damage down here on the driver's door, and then also back here on the quarter panel. So we take you through here, let you look at this. And back to the quarter panel. Well, thanks for watching. If you've got dents, dings, or hail damage, come see us at Killa Dent Removal, 7807 West Morris Street, Indianapolis, Indiana. Phone number is 317-480-9433.